Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make incredible bagels and lox right in your own kitchen. Forget complicated recipes. We're focusing on an easy method that delivers fantastic results. You'll learn to create perfectly chewy bagels from scratch and then assemble them with creamy lox and all your favorite toppings. This simple approach means you can enjoy this classic breakfast or brunch anytime you like, with minimal fuss and maximum flavor. Let's get started. Making the bagel dough is surprisingly straightforward. First, in a large bowl, combine 4 cups of bread flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Next, activate 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast in 1 1/2 cups of warm water. Once foamy, add it to your dry ingredients. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then, let it rise for 1 hour, punch it down, and shape it into 8 uniform bagels. The secret to a truly great bagel lies in the boil and bake. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring a large pot of water to a boil, adding 1 tablespoon of baking soda for that signature chewy crust. Carefully drop in your shaped bagels, boiling each one for 60 seconds per side. This crucial step sets the crust. After boiling, transfer them to a baking sheet and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Now for the best part, assembling your delicious lox bagel. Once your bagels have cooled slightly, slice 1 1/2 horizontally. Spread a generous layer of your favorite cream cheese on both halves. Next, artfully arrange thin slices of smoked salmon, also known as lox, over the cream cheese. For that classic finish, sprinkle with briny capers, a few rings of thinly sliced red onion, and a touch of fresh dill. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.